How to do pay stubs. Gather employee and employer information. Click the employee's full name, address, social security number, and your business name, address, and EIN. Choose the pay period and pay schedule. Decide the pay period dates, like bi-weekly, monthly, and ensure it complies with your state's payroll frequency laws. Calculate gross earnings. Multiply hours worked by the hourly rate. Then add overtime, bonuses, or commissions if applicable. Calculate required deductions. Withhold federal, state, and local taxes. Social Security and Medicare. Add any voluntary deductions like health insurance or retirement contributions. Calculate net pay. Subtract total deductions from gross earnings to get your employee's net pay. Add year to date totals, include cumulative, YTD gross pay, deductions, and net pay for accurate record keeping. Use a reputable pay stub generator or template. Enter all data into a compliant pay stub generator that auto calculates taxes correctly. Review and verify all information, double check names, numbers, tax calculations, and pay period dates for accuracy to ensure legal compliance. Save, print, or distribute electronically. Download the pay stub as a PDF, print it, or send it securely to the employee via email or payroll portal. Keep records for compliance, store pay stub and payroll records for at least 3 to 4 years for tax and audit purposes. If this helps, subscribe. But for now, goodbye.